November the 1st at the Santa Barbara Library, and Eric's having a nature print show of 45 years of nature printing. And he's here with his beautiful wife, Lena, and his wonderful little daughter, Adele. And here is the show. And we'll start right here with the description of what's going on with his famous bat, right there. And then we'll go down and look at the prints. This is a description on how you make prints. And here's a squid with squid ink, Eric, is that correct?
Yep.
And then we have some perch. Oh no, convict fish. Are these half beaks?
Yep.
And here we have some hydroids and algae. And here we have some algae cysticerca with scallops. And this is a montage of a bunch of different stuff. Wow, we have shark egg, or skate egg, or shark egg cases, I guess.
Washed up on the beach.
Washed up on the beach, shells, crab carapaces, algae, scallops and other clams and stuff. And this one is one of my favorites, the mola mola. And it's two dancing skates. And a red rock crab from Santa Barbara. And a skate. And a trolley sole. Now we're moving into the plants. Tree leaf samples. There's a rush and tea wash. Fern and butterfly. Grape leaf. Hummingbird sage. Catalina cherry. And notice it kind of has a cherry wash with it as well. And these two are kind of a combination print. Bird flowers on the top and how it's done on the bottom. So, bird flowers. I don't get it. Eric, what are bird flowers?
They're the
Seeds, aren't they?
no, they're the flowers on an Australian plant.
Ah, okay, these are actually flowers on an Australian plant. And then this one, you can see are flowers. And this is Western redbud in seed. See the seed pods? White pine. A daffodil. And this is one that he's had in a lot of shows right here, bristle grass. Remember that was in the Forest Lawn show.
Yeah.
And blowing in the wind, this is incredible. This is a goat's beard, and then he's got the seed pods actually floating off into the wind. Try printing those. And then these are eucalyptus. And this is a diptych, two prints going together. And that is the show here in Santa Barbara. And Elena's running away. Gotta get Eric. All right, you guys, congratulations. 3 minutes, 52 seconds.